For our kangaroo, I've inflated a 260, leaving about a 4.5-inch tail on the end. We're going to start and get the nozzle in, make about a 1-inch bubble for the nose. Then we're going to make about a 3/4-inch bubble, followed by another 3/4-inch bubble. These will be his ears. Lock twist them together. Make about a 1-inch bubble for the neck. Make his front legs, we'll make about a 1-inch bubble. Another 1-inch bubble, make sure they're about the same. Lock twist those together. Then I'm going to make a little small 1/2-inch bubble. We'll make this into a pinch twist. This will be his shoulders. It will also help keep his head upright and lined up forward. Now make about 1.5 to 2-inch bubble for the body. Make another little 1/2-inch bubble. Make that into a pinch twist. This will be his hips and keep his legs and body lined up. Now for his legs, we'll make about a 2-inch bubble, a little 1/2-inch bubble. Make that into a pinch twist. Now his feet, 2 little about 3/4 to 1-inch bubbles. And then twist the excess around that pinch twist to lock it in place. Come back up to the body, same size as that one there. His other leg. Twist it around that pinch twist that was his hips. What's left over becomes his tail. Give it a little bit of shaping. And you've got a very quick and easy 1-balloon kangaroo.